Hi guys, this is Sweta. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is a very quick and short video. I'm just gonna try out a very new product which I received today. This is not a new product. I am using it for the first time. So I'm just gonna try this out in front of you all on camera and see whether it works or not. This is a reusable makeup remover pad. You can use it up to 200 times as it claims, and yes, it comes in multiple colors and everything options. Let's just see. And it claims it does not require any kind of micellar water or makeup remover. So let's go. So guys, quickly I will remove my lashes and everything and come back to you, and let's just see. So guys, I have removed my eyelashes and took some water with me, and I will just dip this pad into water. Squeeze it completely and now just test it out. So guys, firstly I will try it with my eye makeup and let's just see. Okay. Okay. And let's see whether it removes my mascara or not. See, it's working. I'm not kidding you guys, you can see the difference. It just took off all my eye makeup. Wow. All the mascara, waterproof mascara and everything. Now I'll just check it with my lipstick and let's just see. It's getting dry, by the way. Oh my god. This was just one swipe and the makeup is gone. So guys, this pad is definitely worth purchasing. A big fat thumbs up from my end. Go purchase it. Shift to eco-friendly stuffs, and this is a gem. Bye.